Let us use the table on the screen to practice all that we have learned on Excel and use it as a class teacher to compute class mark books. We will start by adding up the scores of the students in all 5 subjects, starting with the first student, Frida Ahome. To add Frida's marks, let us click inside cell H2 and type the equal sign and the sum function. The formula is equal sum, open bracket C2 colon G2 close bracket. And press enter. The column indicates that we are adding the cells from C2 to G2. After getting the sum of cells for the first student, we will now copy the formula using autofill for the remaining students. To find the average, which is the mean for each student, we are using the average function, starting with Frida again. Let us type the formula equal average, open bracket, C2 colon G2 close bracket, and press enter. We will use autofill again to compute the average for other students. It is time to use the if function to compute the grade for all the students. Let us assume we are using the following for the grading. 70 to 100 equals A. 60 to 69 equals B. 50 to 59 equals C. 40 to 49 equals D. 0 to 39 equals F. Note, we are using the average to determine the grade. In cell J2, we will type the formula for the grade as follows. Equal IF, open bracket 12, greater than equal 70. A. IF, open bracket 12, greater than equal 60. B. IF, open bracket 12, greater than equal 50. C. IF, open bracket 12, greater than equal 40. D. F. Close bracket. Note, we need to close with the same number of parentheses opened. We will once again use the autofill to fill up the grades for the remaining students. To find the position of each student, we are going to be using the rank function. Select cell K2 and type the formula equal rank, open bracket 12, $1, $2, colon, $1, $8, close bracket. The 12 is the cell we are trying to range using the range 12 minus 18, where we have the average for all the students. The $ is used to lock the range for accurate results. Autofill is once again used to copy the cells. Lastly, we want to insert a chart in our worksheet. Let us create a chart showing the student's performance, subject by subject. Select the table leaving out columns for sum, average, grade, and position. Click on the Insert tab. Choose Recommended Chart and choose your preferred chart option. You can edit the name of the chart and do other customizations to the chart.